These 5 cinnamon rolls are kind of hard to find. I finally found some the other day. I'm like, yep, that's my perfect Saturday morning breakfast. Find your seam there. See, the ones that are not 5 rolls, there's just too many, and I will eat them all in one day, so I don't really want to get those. But the 5-pack, hey, I don't mind that at all. Guys, so it is gearing up to be a hot day today. We're in Pennsylvania, so the humidity is going to be into the 80s and 90s, and is going to be 88 the last time I checked the weather, which is getting really, really hot. So what I'm doing to prepare for that, obviously, number one, we're using the solar oven, because why not take advantage of it? Make some lemonade out of those lemons. But what I did is I parked in such a way that as of right now, I don't have my shades up on the front because I'm facing away from the sun. I have the door slightly cracked open. In the back, we're putting up our solar blinds. That's going to prevent the sunlight from coming in and warming it up inside the van quite a bit. It's already 25°C in here, which is already pretty warm, so it will probably be a miserable day. In the heat of the day, it's best if I find a place in shade to park. Fortunately, there are a lot of woods around here, so I won't have a problem finding shade when I need it. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and start out my day early. It's a Saturday, and it's not even 8:30 yet. And you know, I came into town and kind of parked in town near this spot because I don't know about parking over here overnight. But I got here early in the morning. We're gonna I might even rest about a half hour or now another hour or so before really starting the day. But I did want to get here set up and prepped in such a way that I can keep the van a little bit cooler if possible, and kind of get ready for the crazy day. So starting out with some cinnamon rolls. Those should be done about an hour or so in the solar oven, and the water should be ready about then as well. So it's time right now to sit back and read. Yeah, it's just about 10 in the morning now, and the windows back here are so hot, you cannot touch them. They are boiling hot. And it got up to 29°C in here, which is hot for 10 in the morning. So we're going to open up the door a little bit more, crank up the fan a little bit more, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started with my day. I was going to, I think I'm rested enough. So go ahead and turn on the computers and stuff, and then we'll go check on the boiling water and the cinnamon rolls. Alright, so the water is just under boiling there, just under the red line. And the cinnamon rolls, ooh, they're looking good. Let's see. So they're still a little soft. A little softer than I would like them to be. They've been in there for just under 2 hours. I'll probably give them another half hour or so, and then we'll call them done. And the water, I can go ahead and make coffee with that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start boiling a new one. So we'll go ahead and bring that in now. So in van life, sometimes we just need to use the resources around us. On today, as hot and humid as it's going to be, it's also going to be sunny. So, of course, you always pick your time to, I have my solar oven going, I have my solar kettle going, and I have some solar panels going because I need to throw some power into my solar charge controller as well. And the batteries actually ran fairly low. It's been really, really cloudy over the last few days. It's really bright sun today, so today's kind of a day to charge everything back up, get everything all set up where it needs to be, and Hopefully I won't need to run my engine charger today like I did yesterday. You know, this is the thing, is make sure you're prepared for a variety of different places. By cooking my breakfast in the solar oven today, I'm going to avoid using either electricity or gas. So that's actually a pretty good thing. So, and these cinnamon rolls have been in here for just about 2 hours now, and I'll probably take them out here soon. They look just about done. It looks like we have wonderful looking cinnamon rolls today. They do feel a little gooey still, just the way I like them. So we'll see how these guys work. The cinnamon rolls were a resounding success. Yum. And you didn't get any. The Wizard of Oz. Whew, it's getting hot, guys. It is 35°C in here. I do not think I've actually had the van up to 35°C before. That is pretty hot. So I turned this fan on. This is actually blowing. It's 88 outside, and this is the only thing that's keeping it somewhat cool. So we're gonna crack that on, but I'm actually gonna head out of here. I boiled three full kettles full of water. Obviously, the first one was my first morning cup of coffee. My second one was my second morning cup of coffee. My third one I put in my thermos. And I recommend everybody invest in a good thermos, particularly if you have a solar kettle. You can boil the water, and that water is still going to be hot enough for something warm later. In that case, I'll probably do like a hot chocolate or a tea or something way late tonight after the sun is down. But I won't have to heat that anymore. I have my solar generator completely charged up right here. The kitties keep an eye on it. Yeah. But the solar generator is now completely charged up. Cinnamon rolls were a success. So it was a great move sitting right here today. I'm actually going to head into town, take care of a few things. And what we're going to do there is just, we're just going to put up the front window shades anywhere I go. Crank on that fan on high so it keeps the temperature as controlled as we can in here. And we should be able to weather it just fine. But with that, we're going to head on over and take care of some errands and get some writing done and stuff like that. I can actually say that was the hottest day I've experienced in van life thus far. I saw temperatures peaking at 92. I saw it get up to about 35°C in the van, which is extraordinarily hot. It is just now at 10 o'clock at night, finally down to 30. Which is crazy. And I didn't get a chance to walk today because I was too concerned about leaving the cats in here without attending everything. And so it's just like, I did the advantages. I got a lot of computer work done I needed to get done. And now it's time to play a couple video games, wind down for the rest of the Saturday night, and get on with tomorrow. So thanks for watching this interesting, hot, melty van life day. Van life kind of sucks when you're stuck where you're at. And I'll be able to get out of here in about another week or so. I'm just in town because I'm helping a friend of mine next week. And after that, hey, I'm getting out of here and heading north where it's a little bit cooler, and hopefully I won't find more 90-degree weather. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, and we will see you a little bit further down the road.